Indian tribal activist and folk hero. Birsa Munda was born on 15th of November 1875 at the village of Ulihatu in Ranchi district of Bengal Presidency, now in Kulti district of Jharkhand.
Birsa's early years were spent with his parents at Chalka. As he was sharp in his studies, Jaipal Nag recommended him to join the German mission school, and he converted to Christianity and was renamed as Birsa Dev, which later became Birsa God. After studying for a few years, he left the German mission school.
Birsa's long stay in Chaibasa from 1886 to 1890 constituted a formative period of his life. This period was marked by the German and Roman Catholic Christian agitation. In the light of independence struggle, Sudla Munda withdrew her son from school. Soon after leaving Chaibasa in 1890, Birsa and his family gave up their membership in the German mission, ceased being Christian and reverted to his original traditional tribal religious system.
He left Gurbara in the wake of mounting Sardar agitation. He participated in the agitation stemming from popular disaffection at the restrictions imposed upon the traditional rights of the Mundas in the protected forest. Under the leadership of Gaidan Balding in the Bohat area during 1893 to 94, all wastelands in villages, the ownership of which was vested in the government, were constituted into protected forest under the Indian Forest Act 7 of 1882.
Birsa is credited for reviving traditional tribal culture, which was mostly negatively affected by British Christian missionary works. Many tribals under his sector has already converted into Christianity. He opposed and criticized the church and its practices such as levy of taxes, religious conversions, etc. In 1895, Birsa is said to have seen a vision of the Supreme God. He himself became a preacher, a representative of their traditional tribal religion, and soon he built a reputation, a healer, a miraculous worker, and a anniversary as the Jatla Gaurav Divas. To remember the contribution of tribal independent activists, his birth anniversary is still celebrated by tribal people as far away as Mysore and Kodagu districts in Karnataka. The official celebration takes place in the Samadhi Sthal in Korkar neighborhood of Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand.
At the young age of 25, Birsa died in prison on June 9, 1900. One of the most distinguished aspects of his legacy is the creation of the Birsaite sect. He combined elements from different religions and tribal beliefs to form this unique sect, which played a significant role in mobilizing the tribal communities against British oppression. Birsa Munda Jayanti is celebrated on 15 November every year. This is to mark the birth anniversary of Birsa, the tribal leader who led a rebellion against the British Raj in the late 19th century.
The life and legacy of Birsa Munda are an example of the resistance of common man and the pride. He also shows the importance of resistance in India's socio-political fabric.
Thank you and have a great day ahead.